to another video. Golden Gang. Please hit that like and subscribe button. And today I update with my friend Elliot, or my cousin Elliot. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
First, we're gonna go to Clouds.
No, we're first gonna test out the new fur and things.
Okay.
It's Toucan Sam.
Alright, let's go.
I have to test out.
Oliver!
What?
This... I know what this is. Oliver, look. Look, Oliver, look at this. Look at this. See this cosmetic? Eddie, watch it. Look over there.
It's a ninja star.
But it's a
Okay, so first we have this Clouds cap that's interactable. It's hair. It's hair. It's like hair. Next we have this.
Well, it's a thing for your rocket ship in Clouds.
Yeah, and now we have this
This one.
right here. And now we have like this flight bandana. I might actually buy that. Then we have this. Now we have the umbrella. Look, it's raining in the umbrella.
And it's like good in the
It's so sick though. Oh, and now I'm Toucan Sam.
We got a mustache. We got sunglasses.
You got some
We
mustaches.
got this birdhouse. We got different colors.
We got these sunglasses. I might actually buy these sunglasses. These actually look sick. Now we have these flight goggles. Now we have this, which it's just it's comboing with this and this. I might not wear this. I might not buy that because that's just too many shiny.
And there's this one thing. Come over here. And there's this one thing that goes with it too. I got it, and
it's the flight thing, or it's the jetpack.
Yeah, it's the jetpack. It's this. And
okay, now I'm gonna review the next cosmetics, which is this and this and this and this and this. Guys, if we make it to 1,000 likes, I'll get put on this with this as my combo. If we get 1,000 likes. Or 100 likes if you want. 100 likes for
cosmetics. And now we're just gonna go to
100 likes for this. 1,000 likes for this.
Yeah. And now
Or no, 500 likes.
Clouds. Yeah, we're gonna go look at Clouds now.
Okay. We're gonna give our honest rating during when we're in Clouds.
And I know how to fly.
Yeah, there's like gliders. I've seen this up. This is honestly my genuine first reaction, kind of.
Then just get on one of these things right here, and you just have to like grab it with your left or right hand, and then you're good. And then you go up here like the tornado people say. Oh my god!
Oh my god, I'm steering! Guys, this is actually... I got on the map! Oh, I just hit the border!
I'm gonna try to get out of map.
Yeah, no, you're gonna hit the border. That is actually so nauseating too. Yeah. It gets you nauseous, but it's actually really cool. Whoa, this is like me at 10,000 G-force flying around the map, rocking around the G-Tag map with a happy smiling face.
Okay, Oliver, come.
2 days into Gorilla Tag, and I haven't made a friend.
Oliver, come here.
I'm coming! I'm going into the tornado again!
Hey, come on, bro. Come on, hurry.
Okay, let's go.
Came down.
I know.
Okay, Oliver, let's go. And then come down with your glider. Come down with it. Come down with it.
I lost
Just
the
keep
glider.
Yeah, and then just keep holding it. And then come here. Keep holding. And then come over here. You can come over here. Oh my.
Ow.
Come on over.
No, wait, look, it's like glowing over here, guys.
Yeah.
I have a theory. Soon aliens are gonna come. And there's gonna be this new game mode, Aliens vs. Gorillas.
Wait, Oliver. Oliver.
Yeah. Wait, we need to check out the other maps to see if they got like
Changed.
Yeah, changed. Magical Marie.
Let's go to caves.
Do 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 do. Guys, soon we're gonna make a new vid. It's gonna be ghost hunting. And we're gonna go in the code ICU Band, which is just ICU Banshee. Gorilla Tag, if you see this video, I want you to put mines back in caves. What? I just got flung.
Let's go check canyons. I bet canyons change.
Yeah. Wait, who's touching the crystal? Who's touching the crystal? Oh, flip.
I think it moves by itself when no one touches it. That's cool.
Caves is melting, by the way. Okay, guys, we're gonna check canyons, and then that's gonna be the end of this video. Because my Oculus got very low somehow, very quick.
We just need to make this video. Okay, come on, Oliver.
Cool. Oh, God.
Come on.
Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Come on.
Oh, my. Oh, I thought it changed.
Okay, guys, I guess that will be the end of the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell. I'll see you in the next one.